Audits are conducted for multiple reasons, such as ensuring operational effectiveness, regulatory compliance, or to confirm that the business is fit for current and future purposes. In addition, an audit can assure the level of protection accorded to information assets and ensure stakeholders of the financial, operational, and ethical standing of the organization. The IS auditing process encompasses the standards, principles, methods, guidelines, practices, and techniques that an IS auditor uses to plan, execute, assess, and review business or information systems and related processes. These audits involve the formal examination and testing of information systems to determine whether they comply with applicable laws, regulations, contracts, and industry standards. They also aim to ascertain if the systems comply with governance criteria and provide appropriate levels of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Finally, the audit will determine if IS operations are being accomplished efficiently and delivering effectiveness targets. An IS auditor must have a thorough understanding of the auditing process, IS processes, business processes and controls designed to achieve organizational objectives and protect organizational assets. Typically, an audit begins with planning before moving into the fieldwork or documentation phase and culminates in the reporting and follow-up phase. In the planning phase, the auditor prepares an overall audit plan. In the fieldwork phase, the auditor reviews the organization's control framework, gathers evidence, and evaluates the strengths and weaknesses of internal controls. Finally, in the reporting phase, the auditor prepares a report presenting weaknesses and remedial action. The names of these phases may vary, but the processes tend to be standardized in order to comply with various audit standards, such as the Information Technology Assurance Framework or ITAF.